Stan Grof, who I mentioned earlier, who was doing the psychedelic research with, he was doing LSD psychotherapy back before it became illegal. He's also one of the founders of transpersonal psychology. He also is a testament to the fact that sex can get better with age, because he is in his 80s, his wife died, and he remarried and is having a great relationship with her as far as we know. He says in oceanic sex, which is his word for this psychedelic / tantric sex, the basic model for sexual interaction with another organism is not that of a liberating discharge and release after a period of strenuous effort and struggle. Conventional sex, right? But that of a playful and mutually nourishing flow and exchange of energies resembling a dance. The aim is to experience a loss of one's own boundaries, a sense of fusion and melting with the partner into a state of blissful unity.